best full tower cases ensure optimal airflow, cooling, and space for high-performance RTX GPUs, enhancing gaming and workstation efficiency. My today's video is about top 5 best full tower cases for RTX GPUs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Antec C8 ARGB. The full-view PC case stands out with its sleek, seamless edge design on both front and side panels, offering a premium aesthetic while showcasing your components. Its dual-chamber architecture separates the motherboard and PSU sections, promoting cleaner cable management and improved airflow. Pre-installed with two 160mm Tranquil reverse ARGB PWM fans and a 140mm Tranquil ARGB PWM fan, it ensures efficient cooling right out of the box while adding vibrant RGB lighting effects. This case supports thick 360mm radiators on the top, bottom, and sides simultaneously, making it ideal for high-performance liquid cooling setups. Additionally, the full cutout at the bottom, paired with interchangeable 120mm per 140mm fan brackets, provides flexibility for customized airflow configurations. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig or a workstation with RTX GPUs, this case delivers both functionality and style, keeping components cool, organized, and visually striking. Its combination of cooling capacity, modularity, and premium design makes it a top choice for enthusiasts. Now our second product is Antec Flux Pro. This premium PC case masterfully blends metal, tempered glass, and wood, delivering a sophisticated, high-quality texture that elevates any setup. Its multi-directional vent design ensures optimal airflow, supporting up to 12 fans simultaneously. Out of the box, it includes 3x Tranquil 140 PWM fans at the front, 2x P12 or PWM reverse fans on the PSU shroud, and 1x Tranquil 140 PWM fan at the rear, providing exceptional cooling performance. The innovative iShift PSU 90 degrees mount enhances cable management, while the dual CPU/GPU temperature display offers real-time monitoring for precision control. Removable cooling brackets on the top, front, and PSU shroud simplify installation and maintenance, allowing for a fully customized cooling setup. Impressively, the case supports simultaneous installation of a 420mm radiator and a 360mm radiator, making it ideal for high-end liquid cooling configurations. With its combination of aesthetics, airflow optimization, and advanced cooling features, this case is perfect for enthusiasts seeking performance and style. Our third product is Line Depot Gaming PC Case. The Line Depot H2 PC case combines style, functionality, and performance, making it an exceptional choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts. Its sleek design features two ultra-clear 270-degree tempered glass side panels, allowing full visibility of your hardware and collectibles while providing soundproofing and durability. Equipped with 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, it delivers outstanding cooling right out of the box, keeping even high-performance setups stable. Internally, the case is intelligently organized, supporting up to 420mm GPUs, 165mm CPU coolers, 360mm top-mounted radiators, and 170mm ATX power supplies, making installation straightforward and stress-free. The upgraded high-speed I/O panel includes a Type-C interface, 2 USB 2.0 ports, an audio jack, and reset and power buttons, ensuring seamless connectivity for gaming and productivity. Balancing practicality and elegance, the Line Depot H2 maintains a clean desk presence while offering ample airflow, modular cooling options, and premium aesthetics. It's an ideal platform for building a powerful, visually striking, and well-cooled PC. Now number 4, Dalabukisi DIY Open Frame PC Chassis. This open-frame DIY chassis is designed for PC enthusiasts who crave ultimate customization and flexibility. Its open-frame design allows for effortless installation, giving builders complete control over the layout and aesthetics of their system. The chassis supports graphics cards of unlimited length, making it ideal for high-end GPUs and demanding gaming or workstation setups. It's compatible with all motherboard sizes, including ITX, MATX, ATX, and EATX, ensuring almost any build configuration fits seamlessly. Power supply options are equally versatile, supporting ATX, SFX, and 1U formats to match different performance and space requirements. For cooling, the chassis accommodates both air and water solutions, enabling optimal heat management for powerful components. Whether you're crafting a visually striking gaming rig or a high-performance workstation, this chassis provides the freedom to design and build without compromise. Its blend of versatility, cooling compatibility, and open-frame accessibility makes it a top choice for dedicated PC builders seeking full control over their hardware. And our last choice is the Gamer Max case. The high-performance Airflow Micro ATX PC case is engineered for efficient cooling and practical functionality within a compact design. Its perforated front panel allows direct airflow through the chassis, effectively reducing component temperatures and boosting overall system performance. Designed for budget-conscious builders, it supports mini ITX and micro ATX motherboards while accommodating a standard ATX power supply, offering flexibility without compromising quality. The interior, though compact, can house up to two 120mm and 180mm cooling fans, along with radiators up to 135mm in height, enabling effective thermal management. GPU support is thoughtfully designed, without front fans. Graphics cards up to 250mm fit comfortably, while front-mounted fans slightly reduce this to 225mm, balancing airflow and component size. The case also features convenient connectivity with one USB 3.0 and one USB 2.0 port on the I/O panel. Combining efficient airflow, versatile hardware support, and a compact footprint, this case is ideal for small form-factor gaming or productivity builds. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.